let's go for a drive through us. There's room though.
Yeah.
Oh, I gotta pick up the dog.
In you go.
Just left the store. Rear view mirror, very cool. Let's see if this.
Visors.
Let's see if the signal comes off when you turn. The signal is silent. No, you gotta turn off the signal.
The steering wheel's a little bigger.
Oh, we're really low on battery because we didn't charge. We just came. I like the steering. The steering wheel's bigger. Okay, let's go over this bump and see what happens. Excellent.
Pretty stiff suspension.
Yep. We are going to turn around though because we're at 68 volts, and when you are in a 72 volt system, once you get to 70, under 70, it's time to charge. And definitely at 65, 66, you'll be going along like a snail. So top speed on this is limited to 30. I really like the rear view camera, but we fit very comfortably.
Yep.
Imagine 4. We got to get 4 people in this. Oh, this guy's turning, so I'm gonna let him turn. And I like to go on the side of the road. So remember, we're on 48, so this is a busy road. So I'm gonna stick on the side, just go a little slower on the gravel. Steering's a little softer, which I like.
The turning radius on this is way better than the little ones.
Way better. All right, our first ride in the 4S.